Hunky Dory has gone to the birds. Well, that's what I have to tell you. This is a Whopper topper pad, and it's called Watercolor Wings. It's all about birds, and there are 40 pages. There are 20 pieces of art, 20 sheets, and you get 2 of each one. So let me show you what those look like. I'm going to scoot this over. And they are all padded at the top, so you just tear them off. So here's a great example. So you can see they're foiled. You get a large image and you get supporting images. In this case, you get the triangles, you get a border, you get some greetings and another piece. So how can you use those? Well, let me just show you. Here is the example that was done, and isn't that just really, really pretty? You can pick some papers to go right along with it and separate out all of those images and foam tape them up if you want to. Now the corners were foam taped. This piece is flat onto a torn edge of paper, works really nicely. And this is foam taped and the greeting is down low, so really nice. And you do have some extra pieces that you could use on the inside of your card. So let me just walk you through each of the sheets. Now remember, you're going to get 2 of each one. So this is a tree sparrow. So again, you can see that watercolor look, and it's really nice with the foiling. Here is it's called a blue tit. That is the name of that bird. Very pretty. I like the collage, the very gentle collage behind them. It doesn't take away from the birds, and it gives you some information about them, but it also gives you some greetings. So the thank you down here, especially for you on your birthday, that's really nice. And here is a jay, very pretty. And so it gives you some information about the bird also. Here are some owls. Several owls, as a matter of fact, and again, really pretty. Here is a great tit. That's nice because it tells you not only here, but it tells you in the upper corner. So we've got a nightingale, very pretty. I love the browns and the greens, very natural colors with it. This is a firecrest. Here we have a skylark, wren, and a bullfinch. A robin, and you can see the goldfinch. Here we have ducks, don't forget them, a long-tailed tit, and we have a finch. There we go. And you can see more, magpie, and a blackbird, and a song thrush. So really nice for masculine as well as feminine cards. Great to have the greetings on there, and they're all in one package. It's called a Whopper topper pad. This is Watercolor Wings from our friends at Hunky Dory.